EasyKlima provides solutions that are safe for the environment, the users, and their cars. Our entire range of products is designed for sealing and refilling AC refrigerant in automobiles. In this video, we will demonstrate how, thanks to a handy and user-friendly preparation, you can independently seal elements and rubber joints in the air conditioning system of your car. You can perform all these repairs using our EasyKlima leak stop. You will be able to follow these 3 simple steps on your own. 1. Measure the system pressure. 2. Load the preparation. 3. Measure the temperature and recheck the amount of refrigerant. Before you get started, remember to protect your hands, hair, and loose-fitting garments. The first step is to measure the pressure. To do this, start the vehicle engine. Turn on the air conditioning to the minimum temperature and maximum airflow. Unscrew the nut of the low-pressure port marked with the letters LP. Then, unscrew the valve at one end of the supplied hose. Screw a container onto one end of the hose. Connect the other end to the low-pressure port marked with the letters LP. All the necessary information on loading our preparations can be found at EasyKlima Port Finder. After these actions, the pressure gauge on the hose indicates one of 3 colours. Green means that there is sufficient pressure in the system and no increase is necessary. Red indicates that the pressure is too high and should not be increased. White means that the pressure is too low, which suggests a loss and means that first you have to use. When you already know the pressure in your system, go to step 2, loading the preparation. Holding the set upside down, tighten the valve to puncture the container. And then, by unscrewing the valve, you start loading the preparation. Observe the pressure gauge readings and complete the loading process in the middle of the green field by closing the valve again. Do not turn off the vehicle's engine or air conditioning for about 20 minutes for enhanced distribution of the refrigerant and complete the sealing. If you have not used up the refrigerant entirely, do not unscrew the container and turn off the valve for the next use. If you have used up all the preparation, and the manometer pointer has not reached half of the green field, refill the system with another container of EasyKlima gas, repeating all the explained steps. Almost done. Measure the temperature of the air coming out of the air vent. A properly functioning air conditioning unit should indicate below 8 degrees Celsius. After 1 day, the pressure on the pressure gauge should give the same indication, as it was immediately after charging. However, if the pressure in the system has dropped, or the temperature is higher than 8 degrees, the system is not working properly, and a visit to the workshop is recommended. The steps described will take you no more than 10 minutes, and your air conditioning will be restored to full working order. Thank you for your interest in our products.
EasyKlima. Make it freezing again.